We have returned to the American Horrorplex, but this is no ordinary tour through this haunted house. Today we have to help get the place fixed up. The normal maintenance guy, Randy, has gone a little bit off the rocker, and this is going to be an interactive experience, and we're taking you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Yep.
Okay, so this one experience is a little bit different. It's a reverse scavenger.
A reverse scavenger hunt. I've never heard one of those.
Instead of getting things, you're giving things.
Oh, we're giving. Okay.
So who's gonna be in charge of the bag?
Trevor.
You have all the responsibility now.
Do not put me in responsibility.
So you were gonna go across different maintenance workers, or patients who may think that they're maintenance workers.
I'm gonna go with that one.
They're gonna ask you for something that could possibly be in the bag.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to try to find that item in that bag and give it to that person who was asking you.
Okay.
Okay.
What happens if we don't?
You could blow up. I don't know.
You could blow up.
I know that there's a boiler in there.
Oh, God.
I'm allowed to work on things in the end 'cause
Oh.
I broke it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so we should definitely give him the thing.
Yeah.
Let's pregame. What do we got?
We got a glove. We got a leaf.
Trevor brought his own leaf.
We got a leaf. We got a screwdriver.
No.
I feel like Santa.
I feel like that means we're going to
We
get
got
screwed.
pliers,
Oh.
a wrench, a light.
Oh, it's a lot. I'm glad we got him because I don't know what these things
pre-gaming
are.
here.
The fact that these two know what tools are and never worked a day in their life, that's some good stuff.
What's that? Oh, it's an Allen wrench, right?
See, where you show them up, Nora? Where you show them up?
And that's it.
That's
And
it.
then we got the inside of the bag.
We got the bag.
All right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
What's in that? Can I see?
Oh, no.
Oh,
Please?
don't
We
give
have to
anything
keep
up.
this.
See?
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll just open it. Oh, no. Hey.
Hey, get out of there.
She's screaming into the void.
We gotta keep that.
Now you got my screams.
Oh, yeah, you got a chicken too.
So, hi, welcome to the Frankenheim Let's
Hi.
Thank you.
They screwed up.
Who screwed up?
Everyone
Everyone
they put
screwed
me in
up.
charge of the thing that goes, woo, woo,
Oh, that's really bad.
woo. Yeah. So, I broke it.
Oh, no.
I
Oh.
gotta fix it. But in order for me to fix it, I gotta have a light. How many of those in
You have a
there?
light? Is there a
I
light?
do have a light.
There's
Can
a
I see it?
light.
I have it. I'll resuscitate
Here you
the chicken for you.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
He looks
Did
pretty
it work?
fried.
Did it work?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
it worked.
He's good.
All right.
Okay.
One myself. All right.
What is she doing?
She says
Oh,
she's
there's
fixing
more
it, but
red
I don't know.
lights.
She might be breaking it.
That's not good. There's more.
I
Oh.
fixed it.
Hey,
All
they're all
right.
green now.
Yay.
Oh, man.
That doesn't sound good at all.
Crap.
Oh, no.
You might want to go that way.
Now it's all red. Yep, we gotta go this way.
Okay,
Yeah, you gotta
okay.
go that way.
That looks really
Okay.
bad. That looks really bad.
Oh, there's something down there.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Sorry about that.
You got a little,
Drive you a little insane.
a little?
That happens.
Okay.
Might be an understatement. Okay,
Okay.
this way we can get on the process.
What the hell?
Oh,
Right
no.
here, we're gonna have you all sit right here.
Okay.
Hi.
Please have a seat.
Oh, good.
Quickly now.
I don't know if I want to have a seat. Uh-oh. She doesn't look right.
So,
We think we're ready. Uh-oh.
phase one.
Oh, no.
Oh no! Oh my god.
We're getting this.
Phase 2. Oh my god! It's so cute! Oh my god! I had no idea she was in here. Oh my god! It's blowing on us everywhere. Woo! I think we're back. Uh-oh, I see Randy.
Randy's in there?
He's in there.
Oh, no. It's Randy.
Oh my god.
It's Randy.
Oh god, there's a lot of
Oh, gosh. Oh, my. Oh, my.
What was that?
Well, things.
Holy crap! Who's that?
Oh, God.
Somebody. Whoa!
Why are you up there?
What is that?
I have no idea. Oh, God.
No! Oh! You got a really long leg. Okay. Hi! Whoa! Whoa! There's somebody up there. Hi!
yep.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna. Ah!
Go under.
Oh!
Oh, there he is again. How did he get over here?
Oh my god! Trevor,
He's
look
got
out,
that glazed
behind
over
you.
look in his eye.
No, no.
There's
I
something
think
back
that's a
there.
prop. I think that's a prop.
Is it
Oh,
for-
no,
no,
it's not a prop.
not a prop.
Not a prop, not a prop, not a prop.
Animal testing.
Oh my God, that's real. Okay,
It's too late. We'd already started our human testing.
we don't need any testing.
Yeah, we're
good.
We're all good.
Sure.
Oh, no.
Hi.
Oh, no, no.
Trevor says no.
No, no. No danger, no.
No, 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 no.
Oh my God, what the hell did it just do with its thing? Ah. Whoa. Okay, all right, we're trapped. Yeah. Can we go this way? Oh.
Oh no.
What in the world? We might need that.
Might need
Should
to
we
axe.
take that with
got
us?
an
I mean, we
axe
got a
for
bag.
Probably.
That axe.
Oh God. He's right behind you, Trevor.
I don't know if that's real. Oh, Jesus. Okay.
You're about to witness a miracle of science.
Yeah.
Is somebody back
Oh,
there?
no.
Oh,
Oh, my God.
what are you doing
Oh,
in
my
there?
God.
He's getting way up in there.
Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh, I think it just got us wet.
Oh no. It is a lump. What the hell's a lumpkin? What the hell's a
I think
lumpkin?
he needs one.
What's a lumpkin?
I don't think
It's
she
that,
liked that.
obviously.
It's a miracle of science.
A miracle?
That's one word for it.
Another lumpkin.
Oh God.
Oh, mother has died.
That one is.
We need
Oh my God, he's right there.
Oh, God.
to be our next.
No, I don't have a uterus. I'm really sorry. I can't have a baby.
What is it?
Oh, no.
Oh no.
What is it doing? Want to mama hold?
No. No,
What's
you,
in it?
Back.
you keep your hose to
your
yourself.
Oh, nice.
He's got
Camera
it.
hold. Where's the pictures?
The
Where's the
pictures.
pictures? You look
Pictures?
Oh, where's the pictures? Listen, Linda.
I don't have any
Pinchers.
pictures.
Pinchers.
There's no
Pliers.
pictures.
Pliers.
I got a
Pliers?
bird in my pocket.
Pinchers.
Someone touching my bird in my
You want-
pocket.
You got a turd in
I
her
got the
pocket.
picture too. Where's my pictures?
Pinchers.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have any. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Trevor's gonna get us killed.
That's it.
I'm sorry.
You guys see that? He was trying to get us killed. Oh hell.
Hey,
You need to go. Hey,
What is
Gonna fix the lights now.
Gonna fix
Fix
the
the
lights.
lights? Okay.
I need my medicine. I've got
Medicine.
How did you get there?
I don't have any medicine.
I need my med.
Okay.
I don't have any meds.
Don't have any. Whoa. You
Stay over there.
stay seated until the ride comes to a complete stop.
Is that Yeah, that's
Oh no.
I don't think he
Oh,
fixed
God.
it.
Watch out for the
I
bedpan.
think he was trying to scoop it out of the toilet.
Give me your skin before she takes it.
I'm using it right now.
Give me your skin.
No.
Give me your skin.
I can't.
No.
I am not ripping off my own skin.
Give me your skin, Trevor.
No!
Oh God. Oh no. What the heck is that? It's the mushroom head.
God, it's Trevor!
The laundry's alive.
It's alive, all right, and it's giving me mean mugs. Shoot, close that one. 4, 5.
Oh, no.
I don't know where to look. Freaking things coming out of all directions.
What the heck is that?
Chicken!
Randy again. Oh no.
Going.
I need an outlet.
Alan!
Okay, hold on.
Needs an Alan. He really wants it.
I don't know if he's happy or not.
I don't know.
I think so. We got it. We gave it to him. But I don't think he seems very happy about it. Okay, there's that boiler she was talking about.
Looks like he's off to a good start.
Yep, we're not gonna try to fix
no.
that. What is that?
I think the lumpkin's got a
Oh,
hold.
and here we go. Uh-oh. This floor is squishy.
Oh no.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that one's a little bloody.
Oh no. We got beady eyes.
We're just gonna sneak, we're just gonna fly past you.
There's our dinner, Trevor, right there.
Oh, yum. Oh my God.
Oh no.
No, we can't eat the
I don't think they have that at McDonald's.
thing.
No.
I'll tell you that.
It's the medium chicken. Oh,
hey.
is this the one? Is it? Yep, okay. I think it is.
Don't you want to be my new experiment? I put so much work into them. Come on. I promise they love new people. Just
I don't think so.
Come join us. Come on.
Do what? Why would we join you? I don't think we'll survive. No. There's a hole in it.
Wasn't she nice? I
Yeah.
told you she loves new people. Come on. Let's go meet the other ones. I promise they're waiting for you. They're that way.
There's more of
Don't
them?
you want to
Okay.
meet them? They love the new people.
Always want to meet them.
Over in.
Don't forget to look down.
Watch your feet.
Hey,
Don't climb on that. It's high voltage.
don't touch the wall. Touchy.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's up there. Oh God.
No.
The gloves. Those electric
Gloves. He said he needs gloves.
Gloves.
You have gloves.
For him.
Oh.
Electrocuted
Yeah, he needs gloves.
What?
He just wants.
Together.
There's only one. There's only one.
Together.
Well, just use one hand.
Just use one hand.
Angry at you.
Oh
We only have half. I don't know what happened to it. Oh,
You have
my.
another one?
no. I don't have another
You
one.
have another one?
Okay.
Oh no.
We're sorry.
Oh God.
Okay, we gotta. Oh, is that the same one? That's not the same one.
Buy you all again just for one moment, please.
No.
Let me just buy you all again, please.
No. Oh my God.
They're getting bigger.
Chicken's got.
They're getting bigger.
Let me buy
What is that?
I have no idea. Looks like another one of those lumpkins.
That one's got big sharp teeth. Oh my God.
Something's really coming up behind Trevor.
What do we have left? No, it's a possum down in the sewer. Yeah, are you happy? Is that what that means? What do you need?
I broke it.
What did you break?
I broke it.
All of it? Oh, he's got big, like, oh! Balls, there's spiders in there!
I need the wrench. There's spiders. Don't get out of it. I need the wrench. I need the wrench. I need the wrench.
The wrench?
I don't
The
know.
wrench?
I need the wrench. I need the wrench.
What is that thing in the corner? It's a security guard.
What's his name?
Tyler, help! Help! Ow! It looks like a spider! Oh my God, no.
Oh, it was just a person. It was just a person. We're okay.
No, I don't like it. I don't like it. It makes it feel like they're crawling. No. Ew. They're crawling.
Oh no. Oh no.
Go back there. Look out.
Let's go. Move it. Come on. Let's go.
We're coming.
Trevor, screwdriver.
Who's got it? Otherwise, we're
Who's
all
got
gonna
it?
die.
The screwdriver?
Thank you.
All of it?
Get in there.
Okay.
Okay, we can do that.
Hurry up. Let's go. Stay here with me. Let's go.
There's a lot of chickens.
He's got all the chickens.
There's a rainbow chicken.
No. He looks really happy about it too.
That's a lot of chickens.
We're going on a trip.
A trip? Did we make it?
Not yet.
I don't trust it. I don't like it. You're bouncy. Oh my God. Woo! What is that? You gave the wrong person the wrench! I can see where we are. You gave us the wrench. How was that? We're never gonna get out of here.
gave the wrong person the
Don't
rinse.
do it.
What are you gonna do? I mean, you're gonna have that on
Trevor's got a
the club.
glove in there he's hoarding.
We made it. Hey.
Hey.
I feel like
Or
they,
did we? Or did we?
I feel like they telepathically imported lumpkins in all of us. If you can telepathically import anything.
Right?